Oxygenated water. Fresh flow pump infuses water supply with oxygen into dog water bowl, improving taste, encouraging pets to drink more. 120-volt water fountain pump is compatible with regular Deluxe fresh flow models. Fresh flow fountain replacement. Replacement pump helps extend the life of the fresh flow automatic dog water dispenser. Water replacement pump for auto dispensers is easy to install, disassemble, clean. Includes a C adapter power cord. Note: not compatible with Petmate's Fresh Flow 2 pet fountains. UL listed and meets U.S. requirements only. Food water. Keep pets fed with fresh food water with a variety of our products. Check out our airtight dry food storage containers, bowls for kennels, gravity water bowls, automated food bowls, travel accessories. Petmate. For over 50 years, we at Petmate are passionate about our dogs, cats, furry friends in general. Starting with the very first dog kennel, we've produced plenty of eco-friendly products that pets will love. Just for pets, Petmate makes a variety of pet products for dogs, cats, chickens, other small furry friends. Check out our brands such as Aspen Pet, Arm Hammer, Buddha, Chuckit, Jackson Galaxy, more. Petmate's Fresh Flow Deluxe replacement pump ensures pets can continue to enjoy the benefits Petmate's Fresh Flow fountain. Compatible with both Petmate Fresh Flow and Petmate Deluxe Fresh Flow models, the water pump provides pets with a delicious source of water directly to their dog water dish. The UL-approved pump infuses water with oxygen, resulting in a fresh taste that encourages pets to drink more. This pet fountain pump is easy to install, allowing pets quick access to oxygenated water. Including an AC adapter and cord, this Petmate water pump comes with all components necessary to power the pump. Designed in the USA and made with quality materials, this replacement pump ensures pets' long-term health and safety. Pump model number may vary. Top reviews from the United States. Great replacement. My dishwasher ate the cover vent portion of my last pump for the pet fountain. My animals were very unhappy to have to drink from non-running water and made it known to me on the daily. I bought this replacement, and although it doesn't have the adjustment handle, it fits just fine in my PetSafe Drinkwell Platinum fountain. FYI, I did have to take a pair of pliers to remove an additional part so that it fit properly with my model, but the adapter is helpful so that it fits many different fountain models.